unprofessional chef.
Hello friends. Tandoori cooking is based on radiant heat from the inside wall. Therefore, in order to retain high temperature inside, and to prevent any heat loss, the top cover has to be insulated properly. So, please pay attention and do what I did. To start with, you will need to have two aluminum plates. One is slightly bigger than the other. Place a layer of ceramic fiber inside the smaller plate. This insulating fiber should exactly fit between the plates. This is done, as shown in the video. This material has superior heat controlling properties, which is why it works so well as an insulator. Fasten the plates together using screws and bolts. For lifting up the plate easily, we fasten two opposite 90-degree angled shape brackets. This plate for covering the inner wall of the tandoori. Now, we do the same thing to the outer wall of the tandoori. I have been using the outer cover for quite some time, as you can see. So by using the two top covers, there would not be much heat loss from the inside. Usually, the inside temperature of tandoori can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 480 degrees Celsius. Therefore, you don't need to burn a lot of wooden logs in order to maintain moderate temperature, especially if you are cooking a small meal. Please pay attention to the two fastened plates and their sizes.
Please activate the caption settings and select any desired language for this video. If you would like to know the principle of building tandoori, the link is listed in the description.
Here, I have a temperature of about 300 Celsius, approximately 570 Fahrenheit. This temperature is enough to roast 20 marinated quails. Cover the top of the tandoori with the small insulated double plates on the inner wall. Also, the second insulated double plates, as well. As an extra cover, I have placed the sage on top. This is an option if available. Finally, the tandoori oven has to be completely sealed in order to do its work. We add the moist clay to seal off the top completely. I would appreciate it so much if you could subscribe to my channel. The quails are juicy and tender, with crispy skin and a smoky flavor. The meat is slightly charred on the outside, but still moist and flavorful on the inside.